Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your OKX account login using Authentication Reset Beginner Guide step by step clearly. To restore your OKX account login using an Authentication Reset, begin by visiting the official OKX, locate the login area on the home page. Enter your registered email address and password. If you are unable to access your account due to lost authentication, click on the Forgot Password link. You will be redirected to a password recovery page. Follow the instructions to receive a password reset email. Check your inbox for the reset email from OKX. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once you've found the email, open it and click on the provided link. This will take you to a password reset form. Enter a new password and confirm it. Submit the new password to update your account. Next, navigate to the two-factor authentication section in your account settings. Click on Reset Two-Factor Authentication. You will need to verify your identity, usually through email or SMS verification. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. After verification, you will receive a link to set up new authentication methods. Choose your preferred method, like Google Authenticator or SMS. If using Google Authenticator, scan the QR code displayed on your screen. Enter the verification code generated by the app. If opting for SMS, ensure your phone number is correct and receive the code via text. Input the SMS code in the designated area. Confirm your settings to finalize the authentication reset. Log into your account using your new password and selected authentication method. Make sure to store your authentication method securely for future access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.